Allow me to teach you how to transfer your TikTok shop earnings to your GCash. First, open your TikTok app on your phone and then proceed to your profile tab. This only works if you are already a TikTok affiliate. So as you can see here, we have the TikTok Shop Creator Center. You have to click on that, wait for it to load, and among these options on the TikTok Shop toolkit, you will see the words or icon that says earnings. Click on that. You will have this withdraw balance button. You just have to click on that and make sure to choose your withdrawal method. It could be manual withdrawal or auto withdrawal. Save and then click withdraw balance. You will be asked to put your primary account in which you want your money to be transferred. You just have to put the balance or amount of money that you want to withdraw. And after that, you just have to click the withdraw now button.